this evening. The gorgeous lady just behind me, she mentioned about that something sparkling and scintillating and captivating should come for Commonwealth. I think I have a fear when I talk about common, and I talk about wealth, and I talk about games. I think what games are going on, we would not like to talk anything about that at this point of time. Let's talk about India Travel March, that will be much better. Mr. Ajay Gupta took a lead a long time back, and we are proud to share this evening, particularly Sidhu Sahib with you, that Ajay Gupta has organized more than 90 such India Travel March throughout India at various places. Give a big hand, a round of applause for this gentleman, because it requires tremendous efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, concept and thereafter packaging, then marketing, then planning, and then managing the show is the most important thing which we have to do. Well, I have been nourished and harnessed and developed in this city only, and my mentors like Subhash Goyalji and a couple of other dignitaries, those are seniors from the trade. I would like to share that today we are in Chandigarh, and it's a beautiful city where Ajay Singh had been bringing this India Travel March. But this evening, I'm not going to talk about Chandigarh. We will be talking about Amritsar, because our Honourable Member Parliament, who has come all the way exclusively for this show this evening to be with us, I think he also deserves a big applause from all of us. Because he has come to talk about Amritsar, what is Amritsar, how Amritsar is calling each one of us, what we can do in Amritsar, and I think the unveiling and the packaging, how it is to be done, that all will be discussed by Navjot Sidhuji. And the best part is, you have seen him as a cricketer, you have seen him as a politician, you have seen him as a good human being, you have seen him on the television as a good motivator, laughter. But today, when he will talk about tourism and when he will talk about this industry, ladies and gentlemen, it will ripple through. You will come to know, well, the gentleman knows about tourism also that well. With these words, once again, hearty welcome, and thank you very much for getting us together this evening over here. I'm working very closely with Navjot Sidhuji nowadays as an advisor, and we are working in the direction. And this evening we also have a president, our Tourism and Heritage Association of Amritsar, Dr. Ashok Sethi, with us. We also have another gentleman who is working and packaging, Mr. Subhash Sinha, for the public relation, the Vice President for